Hello, traders everywhere. Jeremy Lutz here, filling in for Adam with your midday market update for Friday, the 28th of October. Just wanted a quick reminder to remind you that today is the last day to enter for this week's drawing for a 1-year free subscription to MarketClub and an HP Wi-Fi tablet. So make sure you get on the links on the blog posting a little bit, get that deal for $8.95, and hopefully you'll win a tablet. And I heard news yesterday that HP is indeed getting back in the computer business, so it couldn't be a better time to get one, so you'll still be getting the updates. Let's go ahead and take a look at the markets today. The major indexes are nearly unchanged after moving moderately lower earlier in the session today. It appears that traders are reluctant to make any significant moves following the substantial upward move Thursday, which was caused by news that the European leaders finally made headway towards a deal to potentially resolve the regional debt crisis over in Europe. Traders look to be taking a wait-and-see approach to this rally, looking to see if there will be any follow-through next week. Now let's get to the charts and see how we can create and maintain your wealth in 2011 today. So we're here in our portfolio manager as usual. We'll go ahead and get to the S&P 500, and we'll kind of scope this in a little bit. And as you can see, huge move up yesterday. A little bit kind of just status quo today, really hasn't established any trend either way. Intermediate traders should be on the sidelines waiting for a new trade triangle signal, as you can see here. Still monthly red. And long-term traders should either be in cash or continue to hold short positions on this index with proper money management stops. Really waiting to go long until you see that monthly turn green. Moving on to silver. Silver still continues to be long-term negative, as you can see from the monthly trade triangle here. However, we have a green weekly and a green daily. So intermediate term traders are on the sidelines. Long-term traders are still short on this monthly with appropriate money management, waiting for that monthly to turn green. Moving on here, we'll move to gold. Gold seemed to be the only mover this morning, but it's kind of pulled back off here. And we'll wait for this chart to get up here. There we go. See, kind of still flat out for the day, kind of made a move up, made a little move down back to its range. We are plus 100. Long-term traders are long, intermediate traders are long. Make sure you have your money management and stop. Looks like this market may be off back to the races, but we'll have to see if there's any follow-through next week. Moving on to crude oil here, which I'd really like to see this market head even lower, so we save ourselves a little bit of gas at the pump. But our long-term trade triangle continues to be negative, monthly there. Weekly is green. Intermediate term traders should be on the sidelines, and long-term traders should continue to be short the crude oil market with appropriate money management stops. Again, you're not going to go long until you see that monthly turn green. Moving on here to the dollar index. Dollar index made a huge move down yesterday. I think even Adam said that was quite catastrophic to the dollar yesterday. As you can see, we're still long-term positive. Intermediate term, we're on the sidelines, scored negative 60. As you can see, kind of flat today, no real movement again. Again, I think traders are just waiting to see if this rally we've had this week will really hold through next week. Kind of a game of wait and see, as I said. We'll move on to the Reuters Jeffrey CRB index. Here we are, plus 70. Long term, they're still in a downtrend, so long term traders are still short this market. Intermediate term traders are on the sidelines with this green weekly, and as you can see here, green weekly still kind of flat today. No real movement up or down. As always, we rely on our trade triangle technology to get us in and out of the markets and on the right side. This is Jeremy Lutz for MarketClub. Have a great trading day. Make sure you tune in tomorrow for Adam's weekend update. He'll be giving you his thoughts for the week that was and the week that what will hopefully he sees and maybe the trade triangles will see for next week. And again, make sure you enter into that contest to win that free HP. With HP getting back in the computer business, it could really be a great time to get in there and get that. Hopefully, I heard some other news pertaining to Microsoft with HP as well, so maybe that'll be a good way to get in there. So make sure you head on over to the blog today, get entered in that contest, and we'll be announcing that winner Monday after the close of business today. So everybody have a great weekend, and we'll be talking to you again on Monday.